Welcome to this 7th Union demo. In this video we will take you through how to make a tournament paying particular attention to the group stages. To create a tournament, go to Events, then Tournaments. On this new page, click Add New. This will open up the new tournament page where you can define all of your tournament properties, starting with the title of the tournament. In this case, we will create a single elimination tournament that's preceded by 2 round robin stages or group stages. You don't need to call the title the layout, you can call it whatever you like, but in this case we'll use that title. Leagues can be added to the tournament, and we'll look into this later in the video. The layout of the tournament, or the tournament brackets, can be from left to right or radial, with the final of the game in the middle of the screen. The format can be single elimination or double elimination. Examples of both are shown on the live website. In this area of the screen we can see the tournament brackets, where you can select the teams for each of the rounds. For now, let's just save our draft. And then preview. This opens a new tab in the web browser and shows you exactly how the page will look on the final website. We see we have the title and each of the rounds. The next stage is to add groups to the tournament, and you can do this by scrolling to the bottom of the tournament page and clicking Add New. This opens a new window where we can add the properties for the group, starting of course with the group's name, Group 1. In the tournament drop down, we will find a list of tournaments that the website is currently aware of, and you can assign your group to the tournament. However, in our case, we have not published the tournament, so it does not appear in the drop down. We will therefore need to go back to the original tournament settings page and click Publish. Now we can return to our group page, refresh. Oh no, we didn't save our draft, so we've lost our group. We can quickly start again. Group 1. Scrolling down to tournaments, we can now see that the tournament is already placed there. By deleting the tournament, we can find any other tournament, but let's stick with the one we're working with. It is possible to add teams automatically or manually. Let's start with manual. We don't yet have a league, so let's create one. Back to our dashboard, under the 7th Union, we'll find the option Leagues. To add a new league, simply type the name and add new. You can give a description if you like, but it's not essential. You will now see the new league in the list of leagues. Here you can add some additional info if you wish, but for now let's keep it as it is. Going back to the leagues page, let's create another league, since we have 2 groups in our tournament. If we define a parent, then we can group our leagues together. As you can see, where the line signifies a subgroup, we have Demo League, and a line Demo League 1 showing that Demo League 1 is under Demo League. Demo Leagues would make more sense for the parent name, and therefore we can quickly edit that. Let's create the second Demo League and assign a parent again. Again, you can see it in the list with the line to signify the child league. Now if we return to our league table, or group stage league table, go back to group 1, we should now find the league listed. Oh, it's not there. Perhaps a refresh or save draft can solve this. We now see the tournaments, teams, and of course the league. Saving draft is often a good way to update the page, make sure you don't lose your work so far, and it updates the input values that you can use. So if you can't see what you need, it's always good to click up Save Draft. Now let's select the teams that will go into the tournament or into this group stage and Save Draft again. This again updates the page and we can see the small group league table at the bottom. If we go back to our tournament page, we still don't have anything. Refresh, still nothing. And the reason for this is we did not publish our group. So let's go back to the group, scroll to the top and select publish. No changes yet, but if we go to the tournament page, still no changes, but a refresh should fix that. Our league or group stage is now visible. Let's add the second group. We start in the same way by clicking add group and giving the new name. Our group should already appear in the league. Or sorry, our league should already appear. So we can add that. Let's select teams manually again and click Save Draft to refresh the settings. Now we can select the teams for this group and now click Publish so that the page updates and we can see the league. You could have clicked Save Draft, but then you'd have to click Publish afterwards so that you could find the group in the tournaments page. Back to the tournaments page, refresh, and we see our group. We can edit the group, or more precisely, we can edit the details inside the group, such as scores and performances of teams, by clicking Edit. Here we have series points, P for points, W for wins, L for losses, D for draws, P for points for, PA for points against, PD for points difference, BP for bonus points, and PTS for league points. Once we've added those, we can come to the top, click Update. The points are saved. Now we don't need so many tabs open, let's clear a few and go to our live page showing the live preview of the site. No difference yet, let's try refreshing. Here we see the groups appeared, but none of the information that we just added. This is because we didn't select the information to show. We have to click the boxes at the top of each column to show which columns we want displayed on the web page. Update. Return to our live preview and refresh. We now have all the information displayed.